This is American basil, characterized by its spiky flower stem and lemony scent. It is one of many varieties of basil used in cooking, especially Asian cuisine, and it's easy to grow your own. Let me show you. You can purchase the seeds online or harvest them yourself if you are growing them already. Let the flower stem mature and dry out on the plant. Snip this off your plant. It will look something like this. To remove the seeds, pull downwards on the stem. Be sure and do this over a box or container of some sort, as the small seeds and chaff will fall out all over the place. The seeds are tiny, almost microscopic. You can pick the individual seeds out, but I don't think that's necessary, and I just plant them together with the chaff. Prepare a starter container with loose, well-draining soil. I used a mixture of 1/2 potting soil and 1/2 coir, coconut husk fiber. Sprinkle your seeds liberally on top of the pre-moistened soil and gently tap it down into the top layer. You do not have to bury the seeds because they are so tiny. Create a mini hothouse effect by either placing your starter container in a clear sealed bag or tie a plastic bag over the top. Keep your seeds above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 25 degrees Celsius. Leave them in an area that receives a lot of indirect light but no direct sunshine. Here they are after 1 week. I've got so many sprouts already. This is really great. They are easy and quick to grow. 2-week American basil update. Everything's looking really good. We've got even more sprouts, and we're getting to see some of the first true leaves. 3-week update. Our American basil are doing great, and we've got a lot of sprouts. Some of the first true leaves are already growing. I think in a couple months I'll be able to use fresh basil for my cooking. You know, I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.